So hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Arsalan and today we are on day 16th of building the problem solving skills with the help of Python. If you are very new to this channel, very new to this playlist, let me give you a very brief introduction of what this playlist is all about. So in this playlist, we have been building logic, we have been building problem solving skills with the help of Python. So we started from a very basic question as you can see on the screen, and we have been developing our logical understanding and problem solving skills through it. So we have been increasing the bar like anything. As you can see on the screen that on each day we have solved different types of questions and we have increased the bar eventually. So on day 16th we have another question and we will be solving it simultaneously. And just before starting to solve this question guys, do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. So now what is the question here is find the second largest number and develop a Python program that finds and returns the second largest number in a list of integer. So let's suppose we have a list as equals to 1 2 3 5 and something like this. We have a list and what we have to do, let's just dumble it, add some more values here. Let's suppose we have 100 and 102, something like this. Now what we have to do here is we have to return the second largest number in this list. So in this list, what is the second largest number? If we check it manually, we can say that 102 is 102 is the second largest. This will be the output. Alright, so output will be what? Output will be 102. So this is what we have to do in this question. So now to do with the help of program to create a function to solve this question for our own, let's start this question. What we have to do, we have to create a function which will be saying that second largest number, and this will be taking input a parameter as numbers. And after this what I am going to do here is I will be first of all sorting this list. All right, so I will be sorting this list. So to sort this list I will be just writing nums dot sort, and if I return nums now, and if I just show it to you that how we'll be doing it, I will be sorting this list, and after sorting the list I will be just returning the second largest with the help of indexing. So now if I print this second largest num, and if I print a list, let's suppose I take the same list as if I have taken above here and paste it here, and now let's run this code. What I will be getting a list, I will be getting a list here, and this will be in the sorted manner as you can see here. And let's just print it before I sort it. So before I sort this value, if I return this, return nums, and this below code will not be executed because I have returned this value, and the code after the returned value it will be not executed. So if I run this code, we will be seeing that I am getting 1 2 4 5 3 2 4 102, and it is same as what I have printed here. Let's just put more values here. Let's just start from 10 something like this, so that you can just make sure that it is not sorted, it is sorted or not. So you can see that it is same as we have taken the input as. So it is starting from 1031 10,012 312, then it is second is 2 and third is 4 553 2432, and then so on and so forth. Now what I'm going to do here is I will remove this return nums here, and then I will be returning the sorted value of nums. And if I do this, you can see that what I will be getting here. Let's just start from a refresh and fresh start. Let's have a fresh start here, so that you can see that how we are getting a value as sorted. Now if I want to get the second largest digit, second largest number from the list. How we will be doing it? First of all, I have sorted this value. Now we can easily approach, we can easily take out the second largest digit. So to do that, I will be telling it to you that how can we do it. Said if I want to target the largest digit, it will be the uh, last value in the list, right? It will be the last value in the list. So if I write it like this, if I want to target the largest digit, that will be the indexing of the list. So if I want to target the largest value in the list, because this is in the ascending order, so the largest number in the list will be uh, len of nums minus 1. So this will be giving me 10321 312. So as you can see that we are getting this. Similarly, if I want to get the second largest value, I will be just minus 2. I will put it minus 2 here, and I will be getting the second largest value in the list. So as you can see, I will be getting the second largest value in the list. So I have to put a condition here as well. If the empty list in MC2, so list is an empty list. If this is an empty list, how it will be throwing an error? It will be throwing an error for me. So I have to check for this error also, because it's saying list index out of range. So what I'm gonna do here is I will be saying that if len nums is greater than equal to 2, then only run this, else return me minus 1. Return me minus 1 because I want to return minus 1 if there are only 2 elements inside this. I mean to say that if the list is greater than 2, not is equals to 2, only if they are equals to if I will just saying that length should be 2, so there will be 2 elements in this. Is equals to 2, greater than equals to 2, I will be saying that it should be greater than equal to 2. So I will be saying that greater than equal to 1. If this is the case, then only run this for me, else return minus 1. Let's see if it's running fine or not. Yeah, see, it's running fine now. Now we are getting minus 1. Why we are getting minus 1? Because I'm saying that if there are no elements inside this, return me minus 1. If there are elements inside this, means there are some element, means that the length should be greater than equal to 1, means there is element one element inside this, or 2 elements inside this, or 3 elements inside this. So then you can just return me the value as return me minus 1. So even if I have one value inside this, then also it will be giving me minus 1. Let me just show it to you. See, it is giving me 1 as my answer. So I should be writing so yeah, I have to put 2 here because I want at least 2 elements to be inside this. So if I put 1 here, I am saying that the length should be greater than equal to 1. So that means that it will be running when there is 1 element. So I do not want that. I want at least 2 numbers so that I can get second largest number. So I put a wrong value there. I will be taking 1 here, 2 here instead of 1. And if there is only 1 or 0 element, I will be saying that print me return minus 1. Or you can also approach it like this, like saying that if len nums is equals to 0 or len nums is equals to 1, then return minus 1, and else return me this value. So you can approach it like this way also. Let me just show it to you that how we can do it. If len nums is equals to 0 or len nums is equals to 1, return minus 1, and else return me this, else return me this. Now this will be working fine now. Let's just run this code for you and show it to you that how it's working. Let's delete this one and run a fresh start. So you can see that we are getting -1 because there is only 1 and 0 element. If I take two elements, let's suppose I take 1 and 2 here, or let's just tumble it from the descending. Let's just take 4 and 14. So I will be getting 14 as my answer. See, I'm getting 4 as my answer. Why I'm getting 4? Yeah, because 4 is the second largest digit. Yeah, second largest number is the 4, because we will be getting 4 because 4 is the second largest number. First largest number is 14. So yeah, so hope you have understood this question, guys, and if you do so, please comment down in the comment section that you have understood this question. And if you are liking this playlist, if you like this tutorial, and if this playlist is benefiting you, it is helping you, please do share it with your friends as well, so that they can also get benefit from this playlist. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time.